How to use Netflix on mobile. To use Netflix on mobile, you could download the app from your respective app store. As I'm using Android, so I have to open up Play Store. On the search bar, you want to make sure to type in Netflix and install the app. Once you're done installing the app, you click onto the open button. While you're on this section, make sure you're connected to a stable internet as well. So if you don't have an account, you will click on to get started and create an account as well. And if you already have an account, click on login from the top right and enter your credential login to your account. Once you're done creating your account, you'll then be directed to the home page, and the home page is gonna look something like this. So now what you could do is you could start watching a show that you like. You could use the search bar tool in order to look for the show that you want to watch. You actually need to get the premium version of it in order to run, and this way you'll be able to use Netflix on mobile. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.